Give it a little bit of chili sauce, chili oil here and there.
Cooking up.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. Recently we had Malaysia, we had a general election and I saw my friend going back to her hometown Muar, which is also my parents' hometown. And she posted this Muar Assam fish. Oh, long time never had it in Muar because I never go back. But it's okay, just make it at home. It's not that difficult. So let me show you how quickly you can do it. Very simple. It's basically making the chili paste and making the Assam broth and combine two together. So I have grouper fish tail here. You can use any part of the fish. Cutlet also can. Fish head also can. Any fish that you like. Then the ingredient for the chili paste is very simple. I have approximately 20-30 pieces of soaked dried chili. You can also use fresh chili if you like, up to you. And this is few cloves of garlic and also few shallots. You only need these three. Then we are going to use some Assam Jawa, tamarind paste, puree, and my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder. So get ready your blender. You're going to blend the chili, garlic as well as the shallot. You can make a bit more because this chili paste will go with white rice very, very nicely. I'm going to add a little bit of water to ease the blending process. Close the lid. On the power. Open it and we try to scrape the sides to the bottom so that you can blend more evenly. Right, off the power. Take it out. Yeah, something like this, good enough. So use a medium or medium-low heat to slowly saute this for plus minus 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, until it is almost crispy. And you need this process, you need to keep on stirring so that it doesn't get chao ta. Now, you want to get it crispy, and if you overdo it, it's going to get chao ta. So you really need to be a little bit careful at this particular stage here. And if you find it a little bit too dry, feel free to add more oil. This is okay to have extra oil for this sambal here. We are going to season this with a little bit of salt and also sugar. That's it, you don't need other thing. And keep on stirring. Like I said, it can get burnt easily. Yeah? Not sure if you can notice, this is after approximately 5 minutes. The chili oil started to release also, so it become more and more reddish in color. Alright, this is after approximately 7 or 8 minutes sauteing. It should be good enough. Right, we are going to make the sauce, the Assam broth. Get ready 1 pot of hot water. Give it some Assam puree. 1 to 2 tablespoons, you adjust yourself. My Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, about 1 teaspoon. Immediately become a chicken stock. And we are going to season it. with some salt and sugar. I will also further enhance it with some premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Wow, I can smell and feel the Assam sourish. Right. Next thing, we can actually put in the fish and cook it for approximately 7 minutes. Alright, this is after approximately 5 minutes. Cooking under medium heat. The fish should be fully cooked by now. I like the way it raises its tails. Everything going upwards, yeah? Everything moving positive and more better. Alright, so now I'm going to just off the heat. I'm going to transfer this dish over to my serving bowl or serving plate. Next thing is to drench it with a lot of Assam sauce. Garnish it a little bit different as well. So you're going to put it on top. Give it a little bit of chili sauce, chili oil here and there. Right. And I'm going to garnish it a little bit differently by putting a bit of fresh coriander and also onions. Done! Right, so slightly different than what you normally find in Mua, but very similar taste. This is home cooking. When you make some mistake, you change your dish a little bit. Alright, okay, so this is my dinner tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.